Hi friends, this is Shilpa here from Crafts Unlimited and a designer team member for TECS Pune. TECS Element Craft Store is a very big brand in the crafting industry and I am so thankful and lucky to be associated with this brand. Thank you Rakhi Mittal ji and Meena Parekh ji for giving this opportunity to me. The brand TCS is famous in the north as well as the south, and now we're so lucky to have Meena Parekh ji having this brand out here in Maharashtra, Pune, Bombay, and supplying it to Ahmedabad, Surat too. So we will be getting all of the TCS Element Craft Store products in Pune itself. Don't miss on them. With this video, I'll be giving Meena Parekh ji's number and the link so that you can shop most of your crafting supplies with her. They have a huge range of MDF bases, around 1500 or plus. So they are super good in their MDF products that they have, as well as wonderful chalk paints by the name of Androcraft. These are chalk paints that they deal in as Androcraft, and wonderful range of stencils. Let it be decoupage, let it be mixed media, let it be miniature art, or let it be any of your flower making. Most of the supplies are available with TCS as well as Meena Parekh ji in Pune and Bombay. It's going to be super fun video, very fast. You can gift your people this kit and they will just love making the products with their own hands. Let us introduce crafting in each one's lives to bring and spread more happiness now. This particular kit, do you want to see the product? Apart from the stencils, the MDF, they have come up with a huge range of transfer me sheets. So this kit will have a lovely transfer me sheet paper as well as the products that I'll show. So the product that today I'm going to have this video done using a transfer me sheet is, we want to see it? Yes, okay, check this out. This is a beautiful MDF stationery or a cutlery organizer. Look at the depth, it's such a fantastic product. Yes, it's a beautiful transfer me sheet that I've used. Just a coat of varnish. Never stop dreaming. It's a mirror, I think you can see. Never stop. Look at the metallic tinge. This is my version of doing the cutlery holder, and you can choose the transfer me sheets and wonderful designs you can create. Just you can see this video. It's a small video and you are good to go. The kit would definitely have most of the products, and what all is required I'll just show you at the moment. It's the raw MDF base, a beautiful MDF base. Look at the finishing of the product. Yes, the depth. You have the lovely transfer me sheets. The lovely transfer me sheets. Never stop reading. This is the front side that I've used. These are the wordings which I might use it on some other product now. These are the two designs that I use on the front and the back of my product. Yes, and it's a super easy tutorial which you're going to love. The chalk paints that I used for this particular product was, on the base I have used is the ivory, True Ivory by Androcraft. They're super smooth chalk paints. You will get completely addicted. You will not use any other acrylic. Don't use acrylics because they peel off. So this is the moss green which I have used inside along with chocolate. Yes, so you can create your own designs. These are the basic things that you're going to require, and with the kit you will be having this. There will be just a spray bottle and a sponge rubber, and you're good to go. So are you excited to create something beautiful like this and gift your loved ones? So let's get started. Thank you. So these are the lovely MDF bases that you get with Rakhi Mittal, that is Element Craft Store. Yes, Element Craft Store. What I have used is chalk paints directly In order to use these transfer sheets, you need to prime the base. Prime the base in general language is to make the base ready for your project, so like the things will not peel off. You will require in this very less material, as I said. In the kit, we'll be making kits, so please get in touch with us for the kits. We'll be having a base product. Then we have, these are the chalk paints. A lot of people have been asking me which colors I use. These are chalk paints, super smooth. These are the chalk paints by Andhra Craft. What I have done in this particular case of this MDF raw base, I have just primed them with a coat of ivory, true ivory by Andhra Craft. And I have used is green moss cream and chocolate together to give the inside shade. That's all I have done to start my project. This is a MDF base which I have primed using these colors. So now, okay, we don't require anything else than this. So you needed only these kind of things, and you need is the transfer sheets, just some ordinary spray bottle, and you would need a dry clean brush and a sponge, and that's all. So very basic things that you're going to need. Let's open and let's start with it. A pair of scissors. If you're doing with kids, I'm just going to cut it through. I'm just going to take this particular design. So here I go. So we'll be just fussy cutting it. You don't have to be very close. Just leave slight space for the design, so like you can hold it properly. I'm going to use this part of your design on the project. So first you check how you're going to place it. That would make the things very easier. After this, what you are doing is, we have to just, can you see? Okay. There's a thin film, a plastic sheet. See, can you see? Just peel off. So I'm just peeling off this particular plastic sheet. It's slightly sticky, so it's going to be really easy for your kids and you to place it, and we are going to place it the way we want it. So I just want one flower coming this side, the small bud. So I'm just placing it and sticking it. Are you loving what you're seeing? I think yes. I promise next time I'll go live and I can get your spontaneous feedbacks. I'm just going to wet it. Once you wet it, see, you can see the design very clearly, and it's the fun part is you just need a sponge dropper. Just remove the excess of water that is being used, and I think the magic, oh my god, this is awesome. This is super Are you loving it, guys? Check this. You can just use your brush to slightly, yes, that's all. Just go on, and you can look at those wordings. Let it dry completely. After your drying process, you just need to varnish it once, so like the project will remain as it is. I hope you enjoyed it. Good going. So contact Element Craft Stores for these sheets and you will super enjoy this, enjoy doing it. Thank you so much.